Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Krishna, when he was present on this planet, he practically demonstrated that he controlled everyone, but nobody controlled him. That is Ishvara. That is called Parameshvara. Ishvara everyone may be. God everyone may be. But Godhead is Krishna. Nitya Nityanam Chetana Chetana. So we should understand it very nicely, and it is not very difficult. The same controller is coming before us as one of us, as human being. But we are not accepting it. That is the difficulty. Avajananti manamura manasim tanuas. That is very regretful. Krishna says that I am coming to exhibit who is the supreme controller, and I am praying as human being so that everyone can understand. I am giving instruction in the Bhagavad-gita. Still, these fools, the rascals, they cannot understand. So, God is there. We can give the God's name, Krishna, God's address also, Vrindavan, God's father's name, mother's name. So where is the difficulty to find out God? But they will not accept. They will not accept. Mura, they have been described as Mura. So this morning, this press reporters asking me, what is the purpose of your movement? I said, to educate the Mura. That's all. This is the common substance of this Krishna consciousness movement, that we are trying to educate the Mura. And who is Mura? That is described by Krishna. Namagadishkidina Mura pravadanti narakama. Why? Maya Puritagyana. Why Maya has taken away his knowledge? Asuri bhavamasi. We have got very simple test. Just like a chemist in the small test tube can analyze what is the liquid. So, we are not very intelligent. We are also one of so many Muras. But we have got the test tube. Krishna says, we like to remain Mura and take education from Krishna. This is Krishna consciousness. We do not pose ourselves as very learned scholar and very literary scholar. We know everything. No. We are Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He also tried to remain a Mura. When he talked with Prakashananda Saraswati, he was Mayavadi sannyasi. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing and chanting. So these Mayavadi sannyasis were criticizing him that he is a sannyasi and he is simply chanting and dancing with some sentimental persons. What is this? So a meeting was arranged between Prakashananda Saraswati and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In that meeting, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu attended as a humble sannyasi. So Prakashananda Saraswati questioned him, said, you are a sannyasi, your duty is to study Vedanta always. How is that? You are chanting and dancing. You are not reading Vedanta. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, yes sir, that's a fact. I am doing because my Guru Maharaj saw me a Mudha, rascal. How is that? He said, Guru Mari Murkha Dekhi Koriva Sasam. My Guru Maharaj saw me a fool number one and is chastising. How he has chastised you? He had no jurisdiction for studying Vedanta. It is not possible for you. You are a Mura. You better chant. So what is this purpose? The purpose is, at the present moment, these Murhas, how they will understand Vedanta. Better chant Hare Krishna. Then he will get all knowledge. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama iva kevalam, kalau nasiva, 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 gadirannam. In this age, people are so fallen. Now what they will understand Vedanta and who has got the time to read Vedanta? So, better take the education of Vedanta, direct. As Krishna says, Vedaischa sarvai ahamaiva vedam. So, Vedanta knowledge is our sabdadana vritti. By chanting the Sabda Brahma, one can be liberated. So this is recommended in the Shastras. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama iva kevalam, kalau nasiva, nasiva, nasiva gatirannata. So, if one is actually interested how to become liberated from this material bondage, Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi, these are the problems, then according to Shastra, according to Mahajan, one must take to this chanting of Hare Krishna Maha. This is our purpose.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,